In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files in Google Drive. Moving files helps you keep projects organized, tidy up shared folders, and make sure everything is exactly where your team expects it. We'll walk through the built-in move features so you can relocate items confidently without creating duplicates or breaking access. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're prompted, sign into your Google account. You'll land on the Google Drive homepage where you can see your files in the main area and folders like My Drive and Shared Drives on the left. If you already know the folder your files live in, navigate there first so your selection is easy to spot. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right place will make the move smoother. Next, select the files you want to move. Click once on a file to highlight it. To move several files at once, hold Shift to select a continuous range, or hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to pick individual files scattered across the list. You'll know an item is selected when it's highlighted and shows a check mark. If you accidentally open a file preview, close it to return to your selection. Before moving on, double-check that everything you want to move is highlighted, and nothing extra is selected. With your files selected, click the Move icon in the toolbar at the top. It looks like a folder with a right-pointing arrow. If you don't see the toolbar, make sure at least one file is selected. The Move icon opens a location picker that lets you browse your drive structure without leaving the page. Now, choose the destination. In the location picker, you can expand folders to drill down into subfolders until you find the exact spot. You'll typically see My Drive and, if applicable, shared drives. Keep in mind that moving items into a shared drive can change ownership and sharing behavior based on that drive's settings. Hover over folders and use the small arrows to expand them, ensuring you're placing files in the correct location before confirming. When you're ready, click Move. Drive will process the change and show a brief confirmation at the bottom of the screen. Your files will disappear from the original location and appear in the folder you chose. If you get a message about permissions, it means you don't have the right to move that item to the selected destination. Choose a different folder or contact the owner. That's it, your files are now neatly organized exactly where they belong.